Long before European explorers set foot on the continent, various Native American societies flourished, manifesting vibrant languages, rich cultures, and extensive trade networks. Among these, the Mississippi culture and the Iroquois Confederacy emerged as particularly noteworthy, showcasing the immense diversity and complexity of indigenous life.
In the Annals of American History, the Voyages of Christopher Columbus stand as a pivotal chapter, igniting European interest in the New World.
However, this series of expeditions bore not only the promise of discovery but also heralded devastating consequences for the native populations who called these lands home. As European powers set their sights on the continent, colonization unfolded through the exploitation of land and resources. Each of the Spanish, French, Dutch, and English settlers played a significant role, weaving a complex colonial tapestry that would shape the future of America. Amid these burgeoning colonial enterprises, the imposition of taxes such as the Stamp Act and the Sugar Act ignited a strong sense of resentment among colonists. Many felt that these measures infringed upon their rights, prompting organized protests and boycotts as expressions of their discontent. The tensions escalated further, culminating in the Boston Massacre, a defining moment where conflict erupted between colonists and British soldiers, resulting in the tragic deaths of 5 protesters. This tragic incident ignited fierce anti-British sentiments and catalyzed calls for independence. In the wake of this turmoil, the First Continental Congress convened, a historic assembly that aimed to address colonial grievances alongside the escalating military presence of British troops. This gathering marked a significant step toward unifying the colonies against the looming threat of British rule. The Treaty of Paris in 1783 signified the formal conclusion of the Revolutionary War, acknowledging the independence of the United States and establishing crucial boundaries that would define early American territory. This monumental agreement laid the foundations for the nation's future growth and prosperity. Fast forward to 1803, when the Louisiana Purchase dramatically expanded U.S. territory, paving the way for exploration and settlement. Under the leadership of figures like Lewis and Clark, this acquisition played a vital role in the nation's westward expansion. The American Civil War erupted from the mounting tensions surrounding slavery, industrialization, and territorial disputes. This conflict ushered in unprecedented social and political changes, notably exemplified by Abraham Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation, which aimed to reshape the moral landscape of the nation. The Battle of Gettysburg emerged as a crucial turning point in the Civil War, leading to significant losses on both sides and paving the way for the eventual defeat of the Confederate States. This watershed moment reframed the trajectory of the conflict and the nation. As America transitioned into the Roaring Twenties, it experienced profound cultural shifts and technological advancements. The era was punctuated by the rise of jazz music, the burgeoning influence of Hollywood, and the emergence of women's rights movements, which collectively shaped the social fabric of the nation. The Cold War era then unfolded, characterized by the intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union for global dominance. This period not only included the space race but also marked significant advancements in technology and military capabilities, forever altering the international landscape.